ఈరోజు మన జడ్జి గారు ఎన్రోల్ అయ్యి పురుషోత్తం కుమార్ గారు, సీనియర్ అడ్వకేట్ శ్రీ వైవి రవిప్రసాద్ గారు,
partition suits, under these heads today we have our resource persons to discuss some of the important subtopics in the main topics by refreshing our memory, just to have a glance of the overall view of the provisions of law. Of course, we deal in day out by way of hearing different varieties of cases dealing different subjects. That is true, but this kind of refreshing our memory with respect to the subject we deal in day in and day out, it would enhance our memory and skills to meet the day-to-day requirement as judicial officers and judges at various levels. The resource persons are here after dealing with these chapters. They will also interact with you and we can have a free discussion on any of the issues. I request all of you to make use of this workshop, and I request every one of you to at every stage by calculating yourselves for a better assessment of each and every individual on their own. We go to the session 1. Now I request the resource person, Mr. Vyvi Prasad, the learned senior counsel. Of course, he doesn't require any introduction. Still, he's a good friend of mine. At the bar, when I was there in the bar in the AP High Court, in the combined High Court, we had a long association as lawyers. Of course, now we have association opposite from the bench. He's at the bar. The interaction is there on the law. Yes. That he has agreed to participate in this session, sparing his valuable time. He has come over here, for which I thank him. Yes. The judicial officers, seriously.
For me to deal with that. However, I do not know. Sincere efforts to deal with the same. These are just efforts of the investor to decide to make a presentation. And Bishop Bronze As Buddhist schools and today were touching what is ancient law. Where the enactment of 1956, there are several enactments